I gotta take chances. Never thought I'd see my pop switching out them Benzes. I remember vividly when we were cabbage. Really almost slept in the car like what's happening. Pops, where the cash at? I don't really understand you coming from a home, nigga. How I grew up, we were swimming on the boat, trying to stay afloat. Thank God I had discipline. I could have went with coke or the streets like with cloaks, nigga. Made it out the worst situations of mankind. Some lost weight and got blacker than Akon. I never complained, I just took me an apron. They had me cooking in the kitchen, eat it up like Faison. They showed love. I show up to Yoka, she's coked up. There's no hugs and no love with no glove. The man of principles, I take after my father, nigga. The white man buying souls, heard you sold out. We both black, but I'm cut from a different cloth. Niggas couldn't take it, suicide. We sent them off. HIV, cancer, brain tumors, and many more. Lost my little nigga. Rip. He was really small. I'm in the building. 2 money's in my pocket, could give a fuck how you feeling. I only dated twice, but I got a couple of women. And little nephews, only time I say I got children, cause I never hit it raw. Since I made my bed, me and your bitch, I ain't linen sheets over breakfast. Right before Sarah, she get impeached, I was really out in them streets. But never had a gun. All that shit's about to change, cause the devil's after mine. Rappers swear that they fresh, but always so after 9. I ain't saying that they gay, but they jeans tighter than mine. So I mean, if I'm lying, I mean, too deep to be swimming with the little claws. Try breathing down 6 feet, I was really a sick dick. Took her out to lunch and I swear we ain't post a pic. If I buy an I8, I'll make movies, she'll post a flick. It was either stunting on you or 100 pills in a ditch with 1,000 pics of a bitch in my pockets. Since it's not the case, not little kid. Self-made nigga, pimp slapping on your connect. Breath of fresh air, studio sponsor a chlorette. I don't fight fair, I shang le cognac. Shit. Second time I ever no choke. First time baby that's getting in China.
It's hard, dog.
But
It's hard, man.